Hey guys, Nick with Log Masters again. Now that we've got these logs cut out, I've got some random length ones, pretty small. We're gonna go ahead and slip in here. Hitting the sledgehammer as flat as I can. We'll buff these out, but it seems like it's in there really nice. Tight to the back, so that's a good log. So this one will get screwed in. We'll hide some toe screws in here. We'll probably come up under here and screw into that log underneath to hide it. Maybe up here, but either way, that's one log there. I'll get our next log and we'll put her in.